This is so sad. You want to hear some tea? Cheers, witches. It's Halloween time. September 21st, I think. And today I decided I'm gonna do a get ready with you guys. It's very blurry, like what I'm looking at. This is probably the most ghetto get ready with me because I'm at my mom's. I don't have like my typical setup, but we're gonna get ready. Are there any lights I can put on to make this a bit brighter for the video? Do these overhead ones go on? Awesome, thank you. Thank you. He just brought my eyelashes in from the car.
You left your face in the car.
I left my eyes in the car. Okay, in case you're wondering, we sold our house and we were on escrow on a new house that fell through. We've been house hunting and trying to get like a new place to live, but in the meantime we've been staying with family, friends, traveling, staying in and out of hotels, so lots going on. But because we are like literally everything we own is in storage, so we just don't have majority of our stuff, and a lot of times when we're traveling it's hard to do things. So if you're wondering why I haven't been posting very much on this channel, that is why. But the good news is I'm working on so many exciting things, like video wise. So for those of you guys that don't know, YouTube is no longer like my primary source of income. Patreon is, and so a lot, like majority of my, not majority, that's not true. I post 2 times a week on my Patreon, and then I try to post here once a week, and then on my vlog channel I post 3 times a week. So technically I post on YouTube more, but the good videos are on Patreon because YouTube does not let me post them here anymore. In fact, they've threatened to take my channel down multiple times, and once they do that, like I can't start a new YouTube channel, so I'd like really be screwed. So yeah.
Is this kind of real life?
Yeah, why?
Well, like I gotta wash a dish and make a coffee.
No. Let's not do that when I'm in the middle of filming a video. Yeah, these things. That's why I turn the water off. Is this real life? It's just really distracting in the background. You can make coffee, but you don't need to like wash dishes right now, you know? Hello? Just left. Okay, so one of the really exciting videos I'm getting ready to do, by the way, I'm pregnant. I don't know if you guys know this or not. I'm almost 15 weeks. In like 2 days I'll be 15 weeks. It's just so crazy. I feel like this pregnancy is actually going by way faster than the first one, and I'll give you guys some like pregnancy updates in this video also. But I'm so freaking excited for Halloween already, and I have such exciting videos planned for Halloween time, and I think that I'm most likely going to be posting them on my vlog channel, because this channel I'm pretty sure I'm blacklisted on, and so people are like, you have 1 million subscribers, like how do your videos not get more? Like my vlog channel gets more views and it only has like 400,000 subscribers over there. So something's like really off with this channel, which is why I'm not really motivated to post as much here. So if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, definitely go subscribe over there, because I'm gonna be posting majority of my videos there from now on, just because they seem to get like, people actually get notified over there once in a while, so people just don't even know I'm posting here anymore. Okay, what else did I want to fill you guys in on? Oh, the Halloween videos. Okay, so I'm doing like so many story times on Patreon, because again, I can do some story times here, but they're not as like the good ones that are like crazy stuff about like escorting and porn and like, you know, just like my crazy days. Like they really just don't allow that here anymore. They've gotten really strict, and I think like some people get away with it, but because that's what my channel was known for, they don't let me get away with it. They're like on top of me, so I just can't post those here. It really sucks, and I feel bad because like, you know, I want you guys to be able to see them, but they haven't really given me a choice. So I post on Patreon. I started doing that, and it's just been doing so well, and I'm so grateful for all the people that support me there. So thank you if you're a Patreon member. All of my like crazy storytime videos, I still film them. They're just all over there. So I have a bunch of like crazy story times going up. I have a bunch of like about like porn and escorting. For the month of October, I have a video about like somebody I knew stole my drugs at the porn awards, like AVN porn awards one year. That was like in my little entourage, and that was like a whole thing. Major story time. That's going up this month. Also, I talk about like one of my top clients for escorting and what it was like escorting for him and kind of that whole thing. I thought it was kind of an interesting video because there's so much I feel like people just don't know about escorting, and it's really interesting, so I like to share that. But I'm gonna post a story time here on this channel. It's so embarrassing. Probably one of my most embarrassing moments from like in front of a guy I really liked. So that's gonna go here because that is not like too crazy, so I can post those kind of things here. So definitely definitely stay tuned for that. And then what else? Oh, I'm gonna do a scary story time around a campfire because we're going camping. Oh my god, is my battery really gonna die? Hey baby, do we have any, do I have a charged battery, do you know by any chance? Oh, awesome. All right, we're gonna change out this battery. That's gonna be a bonus video for Patreon. I'm also decorating something epic for Halloween time. Thanks, honey. You wanna say hi?
You said this was not real life.
No,
so
this
I don't
it's
exist.
real life. I just don't like, the kitchen's right here and he wants to like wash dishes like in the middle of my video.
A husband that's trying to wash dishes? Jesus Christ! Get him out of here!
Get him out of here. All right,
There's that
so I'm
one.
gonna switch this out. All right, we're back. A little shaky. By the way, can you guys see what this is up on? Oh, I don't think you can. It's like so ghetto. I have no idea what this is gonna look like, by the way. If it looks like shit, I'm sorry. Just know I'm like doing the best I can. Normally, I probably just wouldn't have filmed this at all, but I miss you guys and I want to talk to you and catch you guys up on life and stuff. So yeah. Okay, what was I talking about? Oh, I'm gonna be decorating something so epic. I've never seen a video like this before for Halloween time, so I'm really excited about it. I'm also gonna do some like DIY videos, like Halloween DIY. Do you guys remember my old school? If you're like OG, you might remember my old school like DIY Halloween videos. Those are pretty cool. I miss doing those. So I'm gonna do a new one this year, and I'm actually gonna do one I think with my stepmom, so that should be fun. And then what else do I have planned? Oh, lots of Q&A videos, just like, you know, all the things. Pregnancy updates, life updates, family updates, basically all the things. House hunting. But it's gonna be on the vlog channel, so definitely subscribe if you're not. It's It's Channon Rose Vlogs, and then also Patreon if you're able to subscribe there and become a member. What I tell people is like, if you're not sure, you're like on the fence, or you're like, I don't want to sign up for her Patreon, totally understand, you don't have to. But for the people that are interested and want to see like extra videos or want to see the crazy story time still, so your option is it's $10 a month, but you don't have to do it monthly. Like you can just sign up for 1 month and binge watch all the videos and then unsubscribe if you don't want to like, you know, stay for the new videos. And that way you can also just get an idea of what it's like to see if you even, you know, maybe you'll sign up and be like, this is awesome, I want to stay subscribed. A lot of people end up doing that. We do like giveaways, so we did like Disney World ticket giveaways over there this month. We do like huge like makeup giveaways, and I'll also give people the option, like if you don't want, you know, whatever the giveaway is, like I'll just send you money. What is that noise? So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. There's some weird noises going on outside. I love Patreon. I'm so grateful that I found that platform, because it was gonna be really sad for me to not be able to be like myself, you know, and have a place to like talk about anything I want to talk about, you know. So anyway, that's what's going on over there. What are you guys up to? How have you guys been? How are you dealing like with all the craziness that's going on in the world right now? Man, it's just 2020 has been crazy. I just don't know how we're getting through it, like all of us, you know. All I can say is whatever you're going through, just know you aren't alone. I'm here and I love you. I know it's tough, but we're gonna get through this together, guys. Oh, I just poke myself in the eye. Do you guys like these get ready with me's, where it's just like I'm doing my makeup and we hang out and talk? Because I can do more of them. I just don't ever know if you guys like these videos or if they're boring or whatever. Also, I have a cold right now. If you couldn't tell, my freaking nose is disgustingly running. Hopefully you guys aren't eating, because that probably would have made me puke. I'm actually getting ready to film a bunch of storytime videos for my Patreon right now. I wish I could say they were for YouTube, but they're not, because YouTube has gotten really lame. They don't like me anymore, which is probably why this video is gonna have like 2,000 views on it. I don't know why they like full on. I wonder if I like started a brand new channel and started posting on that, if like people would get notified and it would like throw them off. Or maybe people just don't like me anymore and they are like, you're boring now and we don't want to watch you. So maybe that's what's going on. I don't know. Either way, the people that miss the exciting Shannon went over to Patreon and they're very happy there. So there's that. Why did putting eyelashes on take forever? Do you know I really miss my freaking eyelash extensions? Do you know how much time that saves you doing your makeup? You see how long this took me to put this stupid one eyelash on? Freaking forever. I loved having lash extensions, but then I developed an allergy to them, and then I stopped getting them for like a long time, and then I was like, you know what, it's been a while, let me just go back and see. I don't know if you guys remember those videos, but the reaction was even worse the last time, so my body's just like, yeah, you're good, which really sucks, because man, those are like the best invention ever. And I just am lazy. I don't like having to do makeup. Like, I would never do makeup every day. I didn't have to, you know. I definitely don't. I literally only put makeup on when I'm filming, and that's about it, or if it's like a special occasion or something. I love the way like makeup makes us look, but I don't like the way it feels, and I'm lazy and I don't like putting it on. But I love makeup. Like, how does that even make sense? I don't know, but it's kind of how I feel about it. I like it, I just don't like the way it feels on my face. Isn't it crazy how much like makeup can transform the way you look? I gotta get a tissue. My nose is just Oh, what do you know? There's one right here. I have snot running out of my nose. So sexy. Your eyes can really like look wonky if your eyelashes are on wrong. So I try to spend a little bit of extra time making sure that doesn't happen. Like this is wrong. My eyes look really funky because I put my eyelash on wrong. I was watching this. This is so sad. You want to hear some tea? I was watching this girl that I love and she's gorgeous on Instagram story, but her eye, like she put one of her eyelashes on like messed up, and my mom was watching and she's like, what's wrong with that girl's eye? I was like, Mom, nothing's wrong with her eye. Her strip lash is just not on right. I'm like defending her, you know? Gotta stick up for each other, girls. So yeah, I'm totally guilty of it. I do it all the time. I'm just too lazy to fix it, and I know my eyes look wonky and I just don't care. But yeah, just take a little bit of extra time. Rip that sucker off if you know it's not right. God, I'm so inspired for Halloween right now. I just like want to go to the thrift store and like check out to see like any cool stuff. I don't even have a house, right? But you're probably like, what are you so excited about like for decorating? But you just wait and see. I'm so excited. I've been literally planning for like a long time these videos, and it's so funny because the videos I like plan and put so much work and effort into, I feel like don't do very well, but I'm so passionate about it that I don't care, you know? Kind of like my music videos, you know? Well, that's when my music videos actually get decent views, surprisingly, but like, I don't know, we'll see if this, I'm about to do something so gross. So TMI disclaimer, do not do this at home. This is disgusting, but I'm disgusting, so here we go. I'm using my spit. Your mouth has the most bacteria. Don't do this. Do water instead. But I take some of my spit. Yeah, honey. You knew what I was doing. To get my eyeshadow wet so it's like darker and like thicker for eyeliner. Normally I would use water if I'm in a bathroom, but I'm not and I'm too lazy. What? Yeah, I love that my husband knows what I'm doing. So anyway, I'll tell you guys everything I'm using in case anyone's curious. Normally I would use my palette, but I think it's packed and it's not selling anymore, or we're not selling it anymore, at least like right now. I know a lot of people were upset about that, and the lipstick. So what I do is fill in my spit, and then I just take it like that and it becomes like liquid liner. I don't know if you could see that, but if I didn't wet it, it wouldn't become as dark. So I'm using my Elite palette. These are the colors in here. And then I'm using this Well People foundation, Tarte Shape Tape concealer always. I use Benefit bronzer. I'm actually gonna maybe get the darker one because this one's really good when I'm pale, but I feel like on camera it's not showing up as much. This is the Hoola Light bronzer. It smells really good, like men's cologne. And then I'll show you what I use for my lips. So I don't follow the rules when it comes to like bronzing or contouring your face. Probably why I look like such a hot mess. But I just kind of put it all over because I feel like if you were to go like get tan naturally, you know how like the sun hits certain parts of your face, like your nose gets like burnt. I feel like if I do it like this, it looks more natural. You know, it's not the contour look, but definitely a different type of look. And I'm just really lazy about it. I just kind of spread it out. And then let's see. Other things I'm going to use. It's been really hard to be like eco-friendly while traveling so much. Like kudos to those that are able to do it. But like Snow's not been in cloth diapers because we've been traveling and it's just too hard. And then also just like not able to make your coffee because you don't have your coffee machine or whatever. Like, so I have like, you know, Starbucks I get every once in a while. So I'm using this Prestige lip liner in Natural 10. And this you cannot buy at the stores, unfortunately, but I have found a place where you can buy it online and I'll link it down below. This stuff is amazing, and I just fill my lips in like this. If you put a little bit of chapstick on before you do all your makeup, it like soaks in and then it's kind of like lipstick and it stays pretty good. And then I'm using the lash. I'll try to link everything down below what I used in case anybody's curious. That way you have a link to take you straight to it. But this is kind of like my go-to makeup when I do makeup. Although one day I did my makeup where I didn't put any foundation on, and even though my skin's really uneven because I have like rosacea and everything, my skin looked so much younger because I feel like with like my wrinkles and stuff getting a little bit older, when you wear foundation it makes it worse almost, you know, like your pores, and it just like makes your pores and your like wrinkle lines stand out more when you put makeup on. And if I put like a thin makeup on, I feel like it's like kind of pointless because it doesn't really cover that much. I might as well just not put anything on at all. But I still did my like eye makeup, looked halfway decent, so I might be skipping the foundation, and that would save a lot of time too for when I do makeup sometimes. We'll see. I'm doing a Q&A. I'm filming a Q&A today for my Patreon members, and I told them they can ask me whatever I want, and there's so many scandalous questions that they've asked me. I'm like, oh my god, and you know I'm gonna answer them. And it sucks because these are the type of things like I wouldn't be able to do a Q&A like this on YouTube because it's just like too much graphic craziness to like talk about. They're so weird now. I don't know how everyone else gets away with it, but I don't. that this freaking stopped. I don't know when it stopped recording, but I just finished my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for being here and supporting me. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Working the grind, gaining respect. Every day I be getting a check, but money or not, I be something to watch. Ain't no taking my place, so watch where you step. Regardless of cash, regardless of wealth, I never got handouts, I did this myself. Prove I got something to show. Nobody got nothing on roads. I got the clout, I got a following. Yeah, you can hate, but you got it.